Hi, my name is Kunjpreet and I'm the co-founder and CEO of a circular economy startup. I recently completed my executive program from sales and marketing, which has been really transformative journey for me. The curriculum program was really comprehensive, that was well structured, and it also provided with the essential topics of sales and marketing that are tailored for the today's business landscapes. The professors were really helpful and they come with really wide experiences that also helped us solving our basic challenges. The highlight of this program was emphasize on the real world case studies and also have interactive sessions. The other most important part of the whole program was the networking with the professionals. So the people who are coming on this program comes with different industries with wide experiences that helped me particularly interact with my peers, learning from their experiences and their learnings. So I really recommend this program to the professionals who wants to go for this marketing and sales program and wants to develop their leadership skills and also take a higher jump in their career. I'm really thankful to IIM Indore for providing me this journey and this platform where it bring everyone here on this platform and also help them solving their business challenges. So at last I would say thank you to the IIM Indore professors and the team. Thank you.